Hello. Did you know that more than 300,000 people were injured on lawnmowers last year? Today, I'd like to talk about summertime safety, specifically lawnmowers and yard work. Summer is here, and it is a great time to get outside and enjoy the weather. One of the things we like to do is to go outside and clean up around the house. Lawn care is a big part of that, and mowing in particular. Not following lawn and yard safety are one of the top reasons for injuries and even death in the warm summer months. Today I'd like to discuss the hazards with yard work, next, lawnmower safety, wood chippers, and shredders, and finally I'll discuss general yard care safety. To start with, let's discuss the hazards with lawn care. Some of the hazards can include lawnmowers, loose objects flying, weed eaters, lawn edgers, hedge trimmers, wood chippers and shredders, and insecticides and fertilizers. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission published in 2013 that ladders cause over 500,000 injuries. Lawnmowers cause over 300,000 injuries. Power tools cause over 7,500 injuries, and over 560,000 injuries were related to other things such as lawn furniture, couches, different things like that. As you can see from the chart, that lawnmowers had a significantly high injury rate. This brings me to my next point. Lawnmower safety is extremely critical in helping you have a safe summer. In 2013, there were 75 deaths from lawnmowers. And of those 75, 5 were children. Over 20,000 amputees were caused by lawnmowers. And of those 300,000, 800 were children. Never assume children will remain where you last saw them. Be alert. Turn off the mower if children enter the mowing area. Use extra care when backing up, going around corners, shrubs, trees, and other obstacles. Many children suffer serious burns to their hands and arms when they touch the hot muffler. Keep children away from power equipment. When purchasing or renting a chipper or shredder, evaluate it for safety of design and use. Ask yourself, are the belts, shafts, cutting mechanisms covered? How are wood chips prevented from kicking back and flying out of the intake? How is the chip material discharged from the machine? When the machine becomes jammed, how can it be safely cleared? Ask questions. The best time to ask questions is before you purchase or buy. Many machines are heavy. It may be difficult to move and set up. Make sure you seek help. Ask a neighbor. Ask a friend. Do it right. Do it safe. Which leads me to my final point, general yard care safety. About 230,000 people each year are treated in hospital emergency rooms for injuries related to various lawn and garden tools. Injuries often occur due to improper use, improper safety apparel, failure to read the safety instructions or owner's manual, improper tool maintenance, and mechanical problems. Unplug electrical tools and disconnect spark plug wires on gasoline-powered tools before making adjustments or cleaning jams near moving parts. Be sure power tools are turned off and made inoperable. If they must be left unattended, this will prevent use by children. Do not leave equipment around that children can easily use or are still running. This will help prevent injuries or deaths. Gasoline safety is another big one. Handle gas carefully. Never fill gasoline tanks while equipment is operating. It's still hot or in the bed of a truck. Wipe up spills. Store gas in an approved container away from the house. Finally, never smoke or use any type of open flame around gasoline. Store it in a cooler area in an approved container. Make sure you go look out for foot and hand injuries from contact with mowers, the blades and the chutes and other moving parts of it, injuries from flying debris, injuries from weed eaters, cord, and thrown objects, poisons from insecticides and fertilizers. This final slide here is about risk management. It gives you the ABCDs of risk management. This applies to what we're talking about today. It also applies to everyday life. Assess the risk, take the time before you do it. Today, I discussed the different hazards with yard work, lawnmower safety, wood chippers, shredders, and finally I discussed general yard safety. Summer is a very enjoyable time to get out and do things, and most of us like to do it in the comfort of our own home. Make sure you follow these safety tips and have a safe summer. Thank you.